Hi guys, so we are at Rowston Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Callow 5. On Thursday the 13th of April 2015, this is for our 1726 2 Kilo 60 Eastern train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. Did your viewers hear that too?
Well, not in the description below.
I'll get you, as you do, I'll get you some lighting.
Yeah.
Until the train arrives. Got a good shot of them?
Yep.
Imagine if there was a green light on the level crossing. Like two on the top and two at the bottom, yellow and red and green, and two double red. Oh, got the red.
Yeah.
That'd be cool, wasn't it? Imagine LED green like this. Here she is. He's on Skype, let's see. 153321! 153321 to Lincoln, and it says Newark Northgate on the back. Up they go.
Like the Rowston one.
Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.